Hi guys, good afternoon. This is Dennis Jimeno at ito po ang Dennis Jimenos Vlog TV. For today's quick video, we're going to unbox the JBL Go 3. Ayan. JBL Go 3. Ayan, unboxing natin ng mabilisan lang. Let's go. Okay guys, let's go. Let's unbox the JBL Go 3. So ayan, makikita nyo 5 hours playtime. IP67 waterproof and dustproof. Ayan. It's by Harman Kardon. It's Bluetooth 5.1. Ayan. Okay. First, ito yung user's manual. So, yan. Back set. And the speaker itself. So, yan. Yan, made in USA. Yan, napakaganda niya. Yan, JBL charger. So yun lang, at tatry natin to mamaya. So yun lang, at sana nagustuhan nyo ang video na to. Please subscribe and share the video. And kung nagustuhan nyo, try nyo rin to. Okay. So see you on the next video guys. God bless. Bye bye. Hi guys, this is the sample sound of JBL Go 3. More on bass, napakaganda po ng bass niya.